I'm Grace.
So let's get started.
I'm a recipe blogger, family-taught home chef,
Cheers.
Cheers.
iPhone-only photographer, and proud New Englander.
Kind of like ketchup or mustard, Gremolata is an Italian condiment and it has endless uses. I swear you could put it on pretty much anything from sausage, chicken, steak, veal, pork, whatever you want. It's so delicious and it only requires 3 really simple ingredients: fresh garlic, fresh lemon zest, and fresh Italian parsley. That's all you need. And you're gonna combine it all and make this amazing little condiment. So we're gonna start off with our garlic. I have 2 fresh garlic cloves here that I just peeled. And all you wanna do is just take your knife and you wanna give it a good whack. And look what happens when you whack the garlic. All of this juice is released, and that's exactly what you want. It makes it so much easier to just run your knife right through the garlic and create this beautiful mince, releasing all of those flavors. Chopping your garlic first is key, and I'll show you why. So you can see that there's a little bit of residual garlic, kind of like all the juices left on your cutting board. That's the key, because now we're going to chop our parsley right on the same cutting board, and it's almost gonna infuse the parsley with a little bit of that garlic. So all I wanna do is I wanna remove kind of these tough stems of our parsley. So if you have a tie like this, it's actually really helpful because you can just take those stems right off. And these little stems here, these tender stems, are totally fine to keep. You can trim them off and just use the leaves, but the stems are really nice and tender, so you don't really need to take them off. And all you wanna do is just run your knife right through your parsley, just like this. Once you get to the end, if there's lots of stems, you can set them to the side. And then just rock your knife back and forth and chop your parsley until it's nice and fine. And the key is really nice and fine. Release all those natural juices of your parsley, and that's what's going to create this awesome condiment. It never ends. So this is it. This is what you want. Zoom in real close here. You can see that the parsley has released its own little oils, little kind of liquid that's bringing the parsley together. And you don't need any olive oil for this recipe because of the natural juices of your parsley. How cool is that? So you're just gonna take your knife and just scoop all that beautiful parsley that you finely chopped right into your bowl with your garlic. The only thing left to do is our lemon. I'm just gonna go ahead and zest a whole medium lemon. Zesting is just taking off that very outer layer of the lemon, the part that's bright yellow. The white part is bitter, and you don't want that. Got a naked lemon here and lots of lemon zest. Just take your finger and scrape all that zest right into your bowl. And look at how beautiful this is. That beautiful pop of green and the yellow, and the smell is just insanely good. It's got that fresh summertime smell. You could literally eat this with just a spoon, I swear. The most underrated way of enjoying some Gremolata is not on any fish or protein or anything like that. It's straight up on some crackers. I'm telling you, it is so good this way, on a little bread. It's the way to go. It's my favorite way. Oh my gosh. The reason why it's so good on a cracker is because you get the whole taste of Gremolata. You get the spiciness of the garlic, the pop of lemony freshness, the parsley that's so bright and cheery. You don't need anything else. Check this out on tastefullygrace.com. You won't regret it.
What are you doing?
I'm munching on some raw pasta because I had to wait for you and I'm hungry.
Grace.